opening my LOL doll. And I have this. And I think I know what it is.
I don't know what this is inside. I think she is inside. I'm gonna cut that one back. Can you help me?
Okay.
Open mine.
It doesn't go right there. If it has the zipper, open the zipper.
Wait.
Okay, you do it then. 'Cause you won't.
Guys, this is it.
How do you open it?
Just the zipper.
Yep.
I could zip it. Zip. Can't believe my ball is here. My LOL doll. What? Guys, look.
That's that. I can't see.
Guys, look.
Don't move it.
Oh, that's.
Guys, did you see?
Raleigh.
This is so cool. Look.
Wait. She's all kinds of things.
Rebecca.
Is this Rebecca?
And these are my
Rebecca.
squishies. I got it from Walmart. That one is mine.
Can open it.
Where's the zipper?
Look at the LOL doll.
Guys, look
Wait.
at my LOL doll.
Let me see.
Look at the LOL doll. Oh my gosh.
You got the boy.
This is so nice.
And look.
I love it.
Is that a boy or a girl?
Go.
And look. Guys,
It's
look.
nice. What's this? It came with something. I don't know what this is.
This is
It's
for...
go over
This
the
is...
neck.
The
Wait.
neck.
This is cool.
Yeah. Then
Let
I
me
got
see it.
these pretty cool glasses.
Yeah.
It comes with the body. Because it says the butt. Mom,
Where's the clothes?
the
Put the clothes
are
on.
inside. I want to open the clothes. These.
Guys, this is mine. I'm opening it right now. And then look.
Valiki's one is the...
It's when Rebecca sleeps, she does it.
No, I don't.
My
I
what
have the
gloves?
shoes. Stop.
My gloves?
Chocolate.
But Daddy won't let
I
us
think it's-
mess up his arm. Downstairs.
We'll clean it back up. Oh, wait. Stop.
Ooh, that's cool.
Get you go, 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 get you go.
Let me help you. See? It's a go.
What do you say about that, Shana?
Oh, a dress and a skirt.
Ooh, that's
What do I say?
Raleigh.
Say
Thank you.
Thank you. Wait, can I open one? Thank you, Santa. Shana, can I open one?
Raleigh.
Yeah.
What?
What? A baby boy?
Oh, that's what you got? Let me see.
Guys, look. A big
baby
bag.
boy.
Wait. She didn't get no
stickers.
That's all you got?
Yeah.
The big ones have a lot in them.
She got a baby boy. That's
So the
a
little
girl.
one just have a baby boy?
Yup.
Yeah.
And
That's-
Rebecca's have a lot
I
of
love
stuff.
that. I've always wanted that one.
Can I have it? Rashana, you with your other baby boy? I'll show you. I'll show the people.
She's all sparkly.
I'll show the kids.
Rebecca,
What?
where's your camera?
I don't know.
Should I use yours too?
Yup.
Look.
I think this one more. The
I
shoe
can put the
stand.
baby inside this
There's a shoe
toy doll.
stand. She stands on it.
Mommy, I found this toy doll because I could put the baby inside. Bye, baby. Oh, he can't fit because his hand. Can I bring this down by
Oh,
Can I bring this down by Miss?
Let me see them.
I can't do it because
I'm putting my
But-
LOL dolls.
Rebecca, I put
I
the
want
baby
it.
inside him. He can't
Let me see yours.
breathe. But he could breathe through these whole holes.
Look what my LOL doll does. She there's these instructions.
Do I have extra ones?
She goes in
Instructions.
water.
Shana, you have instructions. It's right here. Open your
Oh,
instructions.
that's so cool. That is so cool. No, Leaky, I need that for something.
Mommy, when I put her in water, look what happens. Look.
Wow.
Oh, this is Rebecca's LOL doll.
What do yours do, Rebecca?
Mine goes in water.
And what happens when she go in water?
I don't know what's supposed to do. Ice water with Shauna.
Let me see the instruction.
Instructions is super cool.
Look at Rebecca here. Look at her. Wait, Rebecca. Look.
Hey, look, it said to shake it up. You put it back in the thing
Like
and shake it up.
this?
No, this is what.
Put it back in this and shake it up.
I put it on.
But they didn't say to put any water. They
And
just have glitter.
Put this inside here.
no.
She have a lot of glitter.
Mommy said you put it inside here and shake it up. Mommy, do you put this inside
Oh, you could feed her water.
Mommy, do you put this inside here? Mommy said you put this
No,
inside here.
don't put that inside there. Just shake that up. You
I
shake
did
it.
shake it. It's nothing cool.
The glitter, it will be all over in there. For
Let me
30
see what
seconds.
30 seconds.
Yeah, shake it.
Rebecca, did you get stickers?
I don't know.
Did you twist this side?
Mine's
Did you twist this side?
I got
No.
squishy. More shake. Can I shake?
No.
Shake it. Shake it. Shake
no.
it.
So she just spit water.
See something?
This is yours. Just kidding. Do you want this?
No.
I can.
Look. I want this one, this one,
No,
this
I
one,
want this one. This one.
Oh, I have this
I
one.
want this one.
She's nice. I love her.
And this one. I want this one.
Look, Rebecca, look. They have her in the ball right here.
Oh, that's why I think.
And then you shake it up.
This is gonna be so cool.
You're trying to do your Google, Gaga.
And the ball. And then shake it up. Shake it. Shake it. Wait. Mommy. Look.
What's supposed to happen? No,
Mommy, shake it for 30 seconds.
Yeah, let me read it.
That's not 30 seconds. Eek, he's bald-headed.
No, he's.
But he has a little bit of hair.
What happens if I do it to mine?
Nothing.
Let me stop.
Let me see. I don't know.
Let's take it out now. Where's her thing? Oh, squishy.
Rebecca, since you love unicorns,
Right here, come here.
you could keep this. Whoa, is this yours, Rebecca?
No, it's
Rebecca, come here. Look what I tell you to do.
Excuse me.
Look, right here. You pour it in. Do you have something to pour it in?
Water. What?
No, that's not. Is that water? Look at this.
Is that water?
This.
Then it says pour the glitter inside. You have to open this thing right here.
What?
And then take this cap off. And then pour the something inside of it. Wait, you have to pour water inside of this. Is the glitter already in here?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, okay.
Open it.
Oh, so you know what it would be? A snowball.
Water, and then you shake it, and then you put the LOL doll.
Okay, go pour some water in it.
I
It's like a snow globe.
Guys, look. Look, guys, it opens. And I opened it. And I have a little key. Guys, look. This is mine. Guys,
What are you going to put in there?
Open this. My LOL. And my squishy. And then there's a key.
Ali,
Mommy, how do you open the key?
just rip it. Good job.
How do you
Oh, I think you need a scissors to take it off.
Who's gonna clean up? Could you go get
You're going to clean up. Yes, you are.
You too.
I didn't make the mess.
Daddy's gonna be so mad.
Well, we're gonna clean up, Sean.
No, he's not.
Ow!
Well, it's his birthday.
So it's gonna be his birthday.
Oh, he's in ancient Egypt.
Yeah.
He's wearing the stuff for ancient Egypt.
Yeah.
Ancient Egypt was so hot. Dude.
Guys, do you know what I'm doing? I'm getting my scissors for my whip.
Why?
Open the keys. You shake it.
So Raheem already put water in it.
Can you guys
Do you put
clean
enough?
up a little?
You
so
put
I
the LOL
Why
inside
can't you clean
there.
up?
Yeah.
So I can clean up a little.
Wait. Rebecca, where's the LOL?
I have it.
Rebecca, he needed to do the thing. This is so soft. Feel
I
it.
needed to do something.
So soft.
Something. Here.
Guys, feel it. So soft. Oh, yeah.
Am I supposed to put the bottle in too?
If you want.
Shake for 30 minutes.
It's only say 30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Look.
Good job. Why are you wearing a mask?
Oh. Masks all that matters.
Hey, help Rebecca clean up. Roshana, come on, help clean up.
Okay,
All
yeah,
that
matters.
Let me see what happened.
Cool, it turns to purple. Clean up.
I don't see what happened. It's just like a snow globe.
Yeah.
But
It's like sparkles because the character Rebecca has sparkles.
uh-huh.
Fell off when I was shaking it.
You could take it out.
Oh yeah. All that matters. Mask. All that matters. But you have to wear
But this is, it got wet too.
Oh, because there's water on top of the lid. All that matters. Some got on top of the lid. Masks.
Yes? No?
No, we're making a video. Mask. All that matters. Masks. All that matters.
What did the LOL doll do?
Masks.
Oh.
All that matters. Masks. That's my scissors.
Can I use it?
Don't take it away. Say, can I use it?
Can I use it, please?
Okay, get it.
I
just spit on me.
Sorry. It was on an accident. So
Subscribe to
don't
my channel.
This is not your channel.
She didn't just take it away. She said, can I have it? No, on my channel. She said,
can I have it?
And then she just took it away. Yeah, on our channel.
No, that's what you always do.
Guys,
Our channel. Why do you always do? Bye, guys. And peace
Peace
out.
out.
That's what Makai does. He does this.